Alex, you're everything to me. Standing here now, the day I met you was the best thing that ever happened to me. Your smile is everything to me. I love you more than you will ever know. I promise I will always make you smile. I will always try to make you laugh. I will always try to make you happy. I will spend from this day to eternity being the man you deserve. Nothing will make me happier than spending the rest of my life with you.
Colton, you are my best friend and my true love. You have supported every dream I have and made it your own with uncomparable compassion and grace. No matter how many times our life changes directions and surprises arise, I promise to be there holding your hand and telling you that I love you. I promise to always show you how lucky I am to have you in my life. My happy place will always be home as long as home is you. I promise to give you my heart, love, and dedication wherever our journey leads us, living, learning, and loving together. Now let's get really, really old together.
And now, by the authority and witness of the Church of Jesus Christ, I pronounce you husband and wife, whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. You may kiss your bride.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand
because I know she makes him truly happy. And the two of them are a match made in heaven. Now I have a sister and I can't be happier. So thank you, I love you both, and this was fantastic. So, raise it up, Colton and Alex.
I love you both. I love you with all my heart. I can't ask for better than this.
So I just want to say cheers to new love and to new roots. And I can't wait to see it grow. Thank you very much.
My daughter, I'm so proud of you. I am proud that you're willing to work for your dreams. I'm proud of your education, your independence, and your drive. I'm proud of your loving nature. I am proud of the wonderful woman you have become and the wonderful mother that I know you will be someday.
To get to anywhere, maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, so fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Live tonight and die this way. Said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. Mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. You got a fast car. We go cruising, entertain ourselves. You still ain't got a job. Not working the market as a checkout girl. And all things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter. Buy a big house and live in the suburbs. You got a fast car. See it fast enough so you can fly away.